If you want to use Spotify without internet, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Before we start, I want to mention that you can check out NordVPN, which is a great way to keep your internet safe and private. You can find a link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price. First, keep in mind that offline listening is only available for Spotify Premium users. So, if you don't have Premium, you'll need to upgrade your account to access this feature. Once you have a Premium account, make sure you have an active internet connection to download the music you want to listen to offline. Open the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer and find the playlist, album, or podcast you want to save. Look for the download button, which looks like a downward arrow, and tap it. Spotify will start downloading your chosen content to your device. You can check the download progress on the playlist or album page. When the download is complete, you'll see a green arrow icon. After downloading, go to the settings in Spotify. On mobile devices, tap the gear icon, scroll to Data, Saving and Offline, and enable offline mode. Now you can listen to your music anytime without needing an internet connection. Just remember, you must go online at least once every 30 days. Spotify requires this to verify your premium status and keep your downloads active. If you don't connect in 30 days, your offline music will stop playing until you reconnect. Also, if you want to keep your online activity secure while streaming or browsing, consider using NordVPN. It's a trusted VPN service that helps protect your privacy and keeps your data safe. You'll find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. That's how you use Spotify without internet. Don't forget to check the description below for the NordVPN offer to keep your connection private and secure.